If your laptop PC starts working slowly, this might be as your health of your RAM. So this video I want to guide you on how to check the health of your RAM on your Windows PC. With these single settings, you're going to have access to it, and it's very simple. Combine Windows plus R key on your device to bring out this RUM button, then provide the following words: mdsched.ex. Click on OK or hit the enter button on the keypad. It's going to bring you this option. Click on restart now and check for problem recommended. System will shut down and it will restart again. So just wait for this to so Windows will restart and it comes up like this. You have to wait for this process to complete. You can see that says Windows is checking for memory problem. This might take several minutes. Running tests pass 1 out of 2. 03% complete. Overall text status 01. So you have to wait for your system to check this. Now it's moving. We are on step 2 of 2 is ongoing. By the version of watch here, we are now on 12%. So it's going, and we have to wait for it. Your PC will restart. So your PC has restarted fully. Let's check the results of everything we have been doing so far to see if there is any error on our PC. Come to this search bar, write in event viewer. Click on this button. You have yourself at this place. Go to window, click at the back arrow of window, go to system. This is the resource. If you click on it now, you see that trusted platform hardware on computer cannot be previously automatically. So now if you have any resource that is contrary to, you're going to have that in this place. And that's all, guys, on how to check the health of your PC. If you get what I've explained in this video and not subscribe, please subscribe for more updates like this.